welcome to Bubbly Bunny. Today, I'm at this amazing place called Malkam Cheruvu. Let me turn around and show you. Look at this beautiful view. It's the biggest lake ever. OMG. This is super duper cool. OMG. Do you see that red and white? That says Hyderabad rocks. HYD means Hyderabad, okay? Hyderabad rocks. If you can't see it, then let's zoom in. Let's walk around and see this place. That was better. That's how you need to jump, okay? Come on. Wow. Do you see that over there? That's not a swimming pool. Do you see those people over there? They're doing pujas. Isn't it cool? Do you see that beautiful entrance over there? That's pretty, right? Come on, let's walk around. Do you see these plants all around? And do you see this wonderful area where we can sit peacefully? These lights turned on. Isn't this place amazing? Wow, so cool. Even everything is looking so bright out here. Oh my gosh. Wow. And I love these tiny plants over here. They're so cute. So cute, right? And so fun. I love this area. Look at this. There are all these lights and it's so pretty out here. I hope this will be great. Oh, look at that, guys. There's a play area over there. Come on. This is gonna be fun, I think. OMG. This is the park and there's so many kids around here. I don't think I'm gonna have a chance to play over here, okay? And it's also saying kids play zone. Look at how high she's moving. Wow. That slide was amazing. Look at this beautiful bridge. I'm actually on a bridge, okay? So, it's so beautiful, right? Come on. Let's check out the beauty of this. Look, the lake we just saw that time. And look at those big rocks. We're going to Hyderabad rocks, okay? Come on. Not the type of rocks like them. Guys, we're finally at this Hyderabad rocks. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at all of these rocks. So cool, right? Cool. I like it here. Guys, this is the area where I came and look at all these big rocks. It's so scary, right? But it's also fun. Guys, look at this narrow passage of the rocks. Come on. I'm scared to walk on the steps sometimes. Because when there's only the pole thing that we hold and do that, I like to do that. I like to use that when I want to go faster. OMG, what the heck? This is a stupid area. See this? We just come back where we just came from. There's more steps